Hey guys, it's Catfish. I'm back with another video, and on today's video we are on our way to Dallas, and we actually stopped at Burger King to get something to eat. So yeah, we made a little pit stop to get something to eat, guys. It's a little windy out here. We got swerving 2 times on the back of Daddy's Silverado. And we got little head Tunchi. We ran through some rain. Yeah, he got ears on the back of on that new Ram he got, y'all. Yeah, we stopped at the Burger King. I don't know where we at. We in Missouri somewhere. Y'all see this old pretty car? Yeah. Gucci, get you. Gucci. You ain't spinning, you ain't winning. Yeah. This Daddy's Silverado. Yeah, it's pretty windy out here. It got swervo on the trailer. That follow my guy. Swervo 2 times. And we got old girl over here. I know it's windy. Y'all follow me. Pimpin' TV. We got Pimpin' TV in there. I don't know what he doing. Yep. Alright guys, I'll get back to y'all in a second. Hey guys, it's Catfish. We just touched down at the Quality Inn, man. Yeah, we just touched down at the Quality Inn. Y'all see it. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. But yeah, we just touched down at the Quality Inn, guys. And look who we done ran into. G Money done got the car all pimped out. He got the car pimped out, y'all. He got the tail lights blacked out. He got the underglow. Go follow my brother, Fly by G Money. There you go, right there. Tell him your motto.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Fly by G Money, where we always customize whatever you drive, man.
Yeah, there you go. Look, he got the New York in your city shirt on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And I got the socks hat with. Fly by G
Look
Money.
at it. Let me see the socks. He got the socks fit. Look at him. See, I'm mad at him because he gonna have to get Pimpin' one. See, Pimpin' gonna be mad. And look at this guy right here. Look at this guy.
Man, I'm handling some business.
He kind of dark, but that y'all know who that is. That's New York in your city. New York in your city. All right, guys. I'll get back with y'all in a second. Hey, guys, we back. Y'all see old girl, she dirty. We just came off the highway, but we got to run to make. Y'all see her. Yeah, she came all the way from Chicago. Y'all see her. Yep, so, yep, we finna go do what we gotta do. There's Pimpin' TV in the building.
When the pimp's in the crib. When the pimp's hot as hell, man.
You ain't lying.
Yeah, yes, sir. All right, guys, I'll get back with y'all in a second.
Oh, damn, I forgot my damn thing.
Hey, guys, it's Catfish. Back with another video. I'm continuing this video, and we at Audio Zone. Y'all check it out. We're at Audio Zone right there. Look at this guy right here. This is my boy 728
In the building.
And he got his road dog with him. Chris NYC.
Yes, what up, guys?
Yes, sir.
Let's try to hit the
Got
light,
that
man.
Mustang looking good. I gotta have a light on, man, so I can see.
Yeah.
Look at G Money with the lights.
That tour's going hard, though.
Yeah, it's going hard now.
He's going to deep level. Go ahead, you gonna shoot and scope out the location.
Yeah, buddy. Look at this dude over here.
What's up?
Look at this dude. Look at this dude.
Yeah, there go Pop.
Look at this dude.
What's up, Catfish?
Hey, what's going on? Huh? Hey, girl, what up, Jeep girl? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Boy, she looked taller in the video. I'm just messing with her. I'm short too. Look at it. There go Relly Rails and the Mrs. Relly Rails. Yeah. Yeah, look at this dude.
You already know.
Pimpin' TV in Texas. He finna turn up. He finna turn up. Look at him. He done came to Texas. He finna turn up, y'all. What up? What up?
Hold up.
What up? What up?
Hey, why don't you shout out your channel?
Hey, you sound like somebody else. Catfish Corner on YouTube and what is it? Oh, Master Detailers on YouTube. Oh, they go 728 acting a fool. Yeah. I gotta clean my car up tomorrow. My car is filthy. Oh, look at this Jag over here. Oh, look at this. Man, we just got here, y'all. Came right off the highway up to a little pull-up at Audio Zone. Look at the Jag. Yeah. It's the long body, too. Y'all see it? XJ. What's going on, Jeep Girl?
Jeep Girl Unlimited, man. Y'all make sure y'all like
What's going on, girl? Like, comment, square, subscribe. Yeah.
all that.
Yeah.
You got to feel while y'all here, man.
Yeah, I see the
It'll
Jeep
be
over
clean
there.
tomorrow. Don't look at
I
the
might
day.
mine dirty. You ain't just come out that way. Hey guys, this is where we at. We at the world famous Audio Zone on Beltline Road. Yeah, in Arlington, Texas. Yeah, Jeep Girl over there beating. I can't get too close because she'll get me copyrighted. You got G Money got all the lights twinkling over here. Look at this boy. Boy. He got all the lights. He got all the lights twinkling.
Y'all already know what's going on, man. We going
Shout it out, shout it out, shout it out.
We got Johnny Nick in the building.
What up, Catfish?
Yes,
Know
sir.
what's going on? We
Yes,
grinding
sir.
out
Yes,
here,
sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see old girl? She filthy. I just came off the highway. She is dirty, but she will get clean tomorrow. Y'all see her? Look at that. Look at that, Harley. Look at the dirt. Look at that. Look at the front plate. Dirty. But she gonna get clean tomorrow. We got Relly Rails over here. Look at him. Got that 392 thing. Y'all see him. Yeah. Y'all see him. YouTube.
Make sure they hit that button, Catfish.
Yes, sir.
Make sure they hit that
Hit that button. Y'all see the Relly Rails right there? Yes, sir. The Daytona thing, y'all. Yes, sir. You even got it down here. Y'all see it? Hey, go give my boy a follow. Become a supporter. Yes, sir. We got some more. We got some other stuff over here. Look at all these lights. They go 5 to the 10 right there.
I've never seen a Sheraton that big. They said it's the biggest in the U.S.
We stayed at 2. I would say the one in Atlanta and New
This is my
Orleans.
guy right here. Y'all go follow this brother. I met him tonight for the first time, but I've been following him forever. Yeah. Been a supporter forever.
That's my dude.
Oh, he got the red guts, guy. Oh, he got the red guts.
Yeah.
He ain't playing no game, and it still smell new. Y'all can't smell it, but I can smell it.
But I got 14,000 miles on
But it still smell new.
It does. That's
Look at this thing, boy. And she breathing too. Y'all hear? Woo. I want to see this thing in the daylight because that paint is pretty. Yes, sir. Y'all go support my guy, man. Car Guy Court on YouTube.
Make sure you follow. Go check out Catfish.
Y'all know what to do, man. This is my guy right here, boy. Yes, sir. Man, he got the red guts.
Yeah, I had to.
Yes, sir. I like it. I like it.
built it and waited for it because I wanted it exactly how I made it.
Okay.
I worked at the dealership, so I physically
Right, I
built
know.
it, everything.
Okay.
And, it's a dream come true. I'm blessed, you know. Like
We all blessed, man.
we do the
That
right
old
thing.
car, that 29-yard car I got came right on down the highway. And I was clowning in it too.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah.
I can't.
You know, Yeah, it doesn't matter what
Nah.
you drive.
Nah.
If it's yours and you made it yours.
Yeah, I had that
that's
thing.
all
I had that thing
matters.
15 years.
Yeah.
Yep. Look at this. Look at Johnny Lit in the building. Another Chicago.
Check out my boy Eric's car.
Yeah, that's nice
Look
too.
at the stripes. It's venomous.
Oh, look at this
It's got
thing.
spider webs and shit in the pinstripe.
Oh yeah, I see that. That's nasty.
Detail, yeah,
I
this-
want to get this in the daytime.
This thing's
Woo,
clean.
look at that, guys.
Cars in this body style.
Oh, look at the side skirts. Oh, he cutting up. There you go right there. Give him up. Hey, go become a supporter of this brother right here. Like, comment, square, subscribe. Look at this. Look at the tire stickers. Man, we got to get a full walk around. This thing sounding good too. Yeah. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. I want to get it in the daytime. I'm just gonna give y'all a little sneak peek at tonight, but we gotta get this in the daytime. Woo! See? There you go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at that top, guys. Got that black top. That's nasty. Look at the mirrors. Look at that. Yes, sir. But it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be as Sugar Man say, it's gonna be a lituation this weekend, as Sugar Man say. It's gonna be a lituation, guys. Yes, sir. We got Johnny Lit. He done came down from the shy. Yeah, he drove that thing on down here. It's dirty too. We just come off the highway. Man. So, yep. We just come off the highway. All right, guys. I'll be back. Hey guys, we back. I gotta let y'all see Relly Rails and man. This 392 this boy got. He didn't mess with it. Look at all the accents.
Come on, man.
Y'all see?
It was a whole.
Y'all see that? He got the lights on the door. He got the 392 badge. He got the banner on top. Wait a minute now. He got Relly Rails right there. Y'all gotta see this dash though. Look at this dash, guys. Look at the dash. Oh my MFing God. Are you kidding me? Look at this dash. Got the anodized paddles. Look, he even got the theme down by the shifter handle. Got it right there. This is crazy. Yeah, y'all see it. Look at the top. Look at the top, guys. Y'all see it. Man, this is insane. Boy, this boy ain't playing. Go follow my brother, man. He ain't playing with this build. My goodness. Yes, sir. Yeah, he ain't playing with this one. He ain't playing with this at all, guys. This is really nice. Yep. And guess what? We'll be back in a minute. Wow, he done started this thing up, guys. Oh my God. Oh, no, wait a minute. Woo! Yeah, that thing sound good, guys. All right, we'll be back. Hey guys, we back. And look who. Hey guys, we back and look who showed up. This guy. Look who showed up.
Welcome back to my city.
And we look, we had audios on it, and the man himself showed up.
But I want y'all to know, hold on, Catfish, we gotta tell the people something. When Catfish is in the building, you gotta make sure you check your wallets and put them in the front. So pay attention. When I see him here, I put my wallet in the front so he can't pick my pocket that fast. Cause he's from Chi-Town. And you know like how they get down. So he got the perfect height. He do this one, and the wallet's gone. So, you know.
Yeah.
I will never forget. It's been the year anniversary that he got us with that.
Yep. Got Miss Audio Cat.
That trick. I
Got her Hellcat out here. Boy, he know he crazy, man. This thing is nice.
I saw that.
Yep. Yeah, I see it. This audio cat. Sounding good. Yeah, we hanging out at Audio Zone. We finna break though, but there you go.
You know that one right there.
Yes.
I'll be back.
Remember when I bought her on eBay?